Hey, let's do some wheelies today. Nope. There we go. Aw. You can also go backwards. Oh, backwards wheelie. Whoops, let's move that, yeah. Oh, oops. Alright. Well, welcome guys. My name is Levi Marshall. You want to see the setup for this? I have. So I got 6 height on wheels, 5 width. No. Yeah. I have number 2 suspension on both, all the way up on 10, with all the way down. Let's try, see if I can get my other one to do a wheelie at the same time. I don't have enough money for that, but that's okay. I need 9 grams for that. So let's just try it with the suspension that I have on it. Number 8 all the way down. Yep. Here we go. Nope, it doesn't seem to be high enough. Nope. Okay, so let's just try, let's just do some free play. Now, let me show you guys how I want to paint this. Okay, well, I can, but there's a thing you guys can do. You can paint it without spending any money on it. And I think that darker blue, like right there, looks great. So you find it, push home, click that, it goes. Okay, let's make these wheels the same type of color. There we go. There you go, and it's painted. Oh, let's get that. Oh. And you guys can also join my group on Facebook called Gigabit Offroad Realistic Builds. If you guys if you guys play this game and like to show off your builds, join my page, Gigabit Offroad Realistic Builds. And if you would like a shout out in any of my videos, join my page on Facebook and comment that you saw my videos. My name is Levi Marshall, and I'll do some shout outs for you if you join my page on Facebook. Don't forget to like and subscribe also if you're watching this video. Oh, I was going to say that was a good save, but not really. This is just stock engine with a little bit of lift on it anyway. Not too big, but... oh, I forgot I got stuff bought for this that I could put on it already. I believe I have a better bumper bought like that. Yep. Ooh, there's that. Okay. Nope. Let's do that. Take that off there. Leave that. Okay. There we go. There we go.
It's pretty nice to count, so. You have like a TV and stuff in there. Hopefully, maybe. It's a big rim, you'll put all this.
All right. This is Gigabit Offroad. Pretty fun game for those of you who don't know. And it's free on Google Play and Android. Or what am I talking about? Free on Android and iOS. So I guess that's what Apple is, right? iOS, I don't know. I play Android. Okay, I wonder if this will do a wheelie. Let's check this out. Drop these all the way down. There we go. That's a got alright flex, I guess. For Jeep, right?
Yeah, just so we can actually get some separation.
You know, I know people do that. I got their cat, I'm a smaller room or whatever.
I need to upgrade grip. That's what I need to do.
There you go.
Thank you again.
Hey, no problem. See you guys later.
Oh, okay, let's try that again. Right there. All right, here we go. So, if you guys have a better setup for this, or for any of my vehicles, I have everything except the last buggy and the two-door Jeep. Everything else I have. If you have good setups or anything, like, subscribe, and comment that setup, and I'll apply it. See how good it is. You know what's funny? That back tire right there, I just realized, is actually bigger than these tires that are actually on the Jeep. That's kind of funny. Looks like that top is too. Do I have it bigger? Do I have bigger wheels on here? No. Right there. Okay. You know what I could do? Guys, I forgot. I actually have this. $1,000 for that. I'll pay for it. There. Now I should probably be getting some good. Oh. Is that hitting the bumper? Yep, that's hitting that bumper. Whoops. There we go. Oh yeah, it goes right through stock bumper. What if, do I have a... I got that. Does that... Oh, it still that tire still goes through it. Ah, there we go. I'm gonna paint this the same color. I have a buddy of mine's Jeep. He used to have a Jeep, and he had it just like this. I'm actually gonna paint these white. Let's get it off of there. I believe I have different wheels for it too. Nope, not different tires. I do have those wheels. Whoa, what's... Oh. Ah, there they are. Those are the ones I like. Nah, let's go the other way. Like that. There we go. Whoa. I thought I had those wheels bought. Okay. Now we can paint them. There we go. Now I think the Jeep's better looking. Oh, whoops. Let's just do that. Let's see how I can do up on this trailer. Oh, that wasn't even that close. What the heck? The only difference this Jeep has from my buddy's Jeep is the front fenders were not taken off like these are. Wow, that works great. And the wheels were not painted this way, but you know, it's alright. You know what? Let's switch into the rest of my vehicles with soft suspension and see how they hold up on that. Ooh, that's kind of big. Let's see. That's fine. Alright, let's try that one now. Ah, I didn't know the brake was off. Wow, low gear sucks, man. Watch. Man, this thing sure is a climber. Oh, great. A little bit of a wheel. Oh. Oh. There we go. Oh, come on. Well, this don't work that well. Let's try again. Let's skip over that. Let's take our Blazer. Alright, here we go. Okay. So, let's take our Jeep. Let's take it to a different world. Let's go to World 3 and take it climbing on some of their you guys can hear screaming in the background, it's because I'm at a store right now. And there's people here screaming, running around chasing each other. Two couple brothers, yeah, you know. I got one plate idea to take this. Man, that makes it so much louder. I've got headphones on, and holy crap, that's loud in my ears. And if you can't hear me right now, guys, that's because I am at a store. This thing's, oh jeez, oh, so great. And then I hit a tree, or a rock, not a tree. Oh, let's jump it. Ooh. Aw. Nice hard landing. Let's just cut over this way. There we go. Ha! It's called Ruts. That's where we're going. Oh, right here. Yep, this is it. Yeah, when my buddy had this Jeep that like this, he used to go do competitions and stuff in it all the time. Now he's got a white Jeep that I don't think he does competitions in it anymore, but because it's a different Jeep and it's not as huge. It's got an 8-inch lift with like 35-inch tires or so. And I don't know what this one was. It was a bigger lift, like 10-inch or so with like 40. No, I don't know. I'm over exaggerating on tires. Oh, come on. There we go. No. There we go. Oh. That's the one thing I hate with Jeeps and stuff like this on this game. They have a short suspension, or shorter wheelbase than, like, say, my truck or my Blazer Suburban or something. And so, yeah, I got both Dodges. I made a Blazer, and I've got a Suburban on here too. And they all have longer suspension or wheelbase, so they don't tip as easy like these do. Ooh. Man, I thought that was over. Oh, come on. You can't climb it? That sucks. Oh, no. There we go. I swear that was in drive. Oh, jeez. I'm so glad that I don't do this stuff in real life. My Jeep would be destroyed in real life if I did that. I wouldn't have made it up that first jump, or that first rock down there. When I first started, right at the beginning, I wouldn't have even, when I got stuck and I had to, oh, nice. Alright, guys. Should we try something else? I don't know. There we go. Oh, wow, we're already at 27 minutes.
I'm bored.
Alright, guys. Oh, here we go. Ooh! Yep, I rolled again. Let's get it back up. Oh, geez. Okay, hold on, guys. Let me get my charger. And my charger just fell out. How did I get put into two-wheel drive? That's weird. Climb this huge hill. Just to the left side of the wall. I've never been up this way. I have no idea where it's. I've never been up most of these tracks. Most of these. Oh. Oh, Jesus. Okay. Well, we're at 30 minutes already. Okay. Well, that's gonna do it. I'll see you guys later. Thank you. Don't forget to like and subscribe.